76.825 for Richard J. Parkinson in the crossbar.
Get what you can get.
Yeah.
If you get it, you get it.
5 cars on course right about now. So lots of action, lots of business. People are like, oh no.
I gotta pee. Me too.
But one car, I did not do that. I did. Jay Parkinson in the crossbar gets an 81.5. And Ron Moore.
Nice and easy through here.
Yep.
Nice. Nice. Easy through here. Look for the last cone. Look for the last cone on the left. And again, last cone on the right.
Back up too much there, don't I?
Yep. Alright. Early through here, early with your vision. There you go. You got it. Got it. Go, 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 go.
Oh. Oh well. That's good. Alright, we can go park this thing.
Yep.
G Street.
Beat me by a second. Good job.
Thank you.
Oh, horse is gonna come this way.